Welcome back, class. Welcome to another beautiful day in Texas. And we're still learning about adding and subtracting decimals. Today will be our subtraction of decimals day. So I hope you had time to go on to Prodigy and look at some of those questions and answer them. Thank you to the people that have already done that. I appreciate that, and I'm seeing some great results. Okay, the rest of you, make sure you get on there and finish up those 20 problems and get some good practice. All right, today we are going to learn on subtraction of decimals. Now, the rule is the same. So still line up your decimal, okay? So I've created a new problem for the subtraction of decimals, and it goes like this. Let's read along. Amber gets paid today. She earned $2,354.85. She had to pay her mom $500 for rent and $687.33 for her 2019 taxes. How much money does she have left? All right, now that is a multiple step word problem. So let's see how you want to tackle this. Now there's a couple different ways you can do it. I'm going to show you one. There's another way you can do it too, and I'll tell you what that is. But I'll show you one way to do it, and then you can go ahead and solve them yourself on Prodigy. All right. First of all, let's read the problem again and let's circle key information. Amber gets paid today. Anything important there? No. Cross it out. She earned $2,354.85. Yes, that's important. We need that. We need to know how much she got. We don't care that she got paid today, but we want to know how much that was. Okay. She had to pay her mom $500 for rent. So I'm going to circle 500 for rent. Okay. I think that's going to be important. And $687.33 for her taxes. So I'm going to circle this and taxes. Am I concerned about the 2019? No. That's just the year it happened. We really don't care about that. We can cross that out. We don't really care what year she has to pay taxes, just that she has to pay that amount. So then the question states, how much money does she have left? Okay, now guys, that's the most important thing. Most important thing about this whole problem is the question. So I'm going to double underline that. How much money does she have left? Have left, that's telling us that we're going to subtract. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to start off, let me get a different marker here. I'm going to start off with the amount she had, $2,354.85. And first I'm going to subtract out the 500 because she has to pay that to her mom. She has to pay that to her mom. Now I lined up the decimal, so I know my decimal place is going to go right here. I'm going to put in some ghost zeros here because that's just the cents that was left off there. So I'm putting in those ghost zeros. And now I'm going to subtract. So 5 minus 0 is 5. 8 minus 0 is 8. 4 minus 0 is 4. 5 minus 0, 5. Can I take 5 away from 3? No, I can't. So I'm going to have to borrow. So I'm going to go to my neighbor. I'm going to reduce that by 1. And I'm going to bring that 10 back over here to make that 3 a 13. You're always borrowing 10 from your neighbor on subtraction. 13 minus 5 is 8. 1 minus, goes 0 here, right? 1 minus 0 is 1. So her total now is $1,854.85. But are we done? No, we're not. Because we have a second part of that problem. And she has to pay that much in taxes. So 687, remember I'm lining it up. I'm lining up the decimal point again right here. 33 cents. Okay. Now again, where she's paying that, so it's going to be a subtraction. So she's paying those taxes. This was her rent. This was her taxes, and she has to pay both of those. So that's her rent, that's her taxes. So let's now go ahead and subtract. 3 from 5 is 2. 3 from 8 is 5. The decimal goes right down here. Remember, line up your decimal. Line it up. Can we take 7 away from 4? No, we can't, can we? So we're going to have to borrow. 14 minus 7 is 7. 8 minus 4, can't do it, can we? We're going to have to borrow again. 8 or 14 minus 8 is 6. We can do that. 7 minus 6, we can do that. That's 1. 1 minus goes 0 here. That would still be 1. Okay, and I'm going to put the dollar sign back in there. I put my comma, and I already have my decimal point. Now, that's it for the problem. So the money she has left should be right here. $1,167.52. And that's all there is to it. So once you line up those decimals, it's simply a subtraction problem. And it makes it real easy as long as you remember this one rule, lining up the decimal. All right, guys, if you haven't finished those problems in Prodigy, then I would suggest go finish them right now while you have the rule in your head, lining up your decimal. Okay, go finish those 20 problems. If you've already finished them, well, awesome. Then enjoy the rest of your day. All right, guys. Good seeing all your work coming in. And this is goodbye for now. All right. Take care, guys. Bye. Bye.